Today's session will be on divisibility rules and LCM HCF. See, most of the people we feel that we know what are the divisibility rules, but I generally feel we know divisibility rules, but not exactly. See, we know whether given number is divisible by 2 or not by looking at the number. But if I ask you what is divisibility rule of 2, you people will fail to answer exactly. That is what generally I feel. Okay, hope you can hear me clearly. The divisibility rules is a kind of topic. Hey, guys, just give me 1 minute. Actually, today we could not live stream in YouTube because of um, few technical issues. We are unable to uh, live stream in YouTube. That's the reason we have a bit problem with that. And in live stream in YouTube, I am trying to convey the same message. I'm asking everyone to join in Zoom. Okay, so it takes some time. Please give me a moment. Let other people also join and utilize the session. And I'm trying to give the same session in Facebook live as well, but very few people will watch that live. So, however, just give me some time so that other people also will join. Yeah, let me continue. Let me continue. Mm, so, divisibility rule again for few people who joined recently. I am explaining the same again. We generally feel that divisibility rules, we know divisibility rules, and of course by looking at a number we can say whether the number is divisible by 4 or not, whether the number is divisible by 10 or not, whether it is divisible by 3 or not. Yes, we can say, but there is an in-depth concept behind divisibilities. Okay, trust me, if I can tell you what is divisibility rule of 2 in a proper way, unlike what we learn in our schooling. Okay, we can find out, we can define divisibility rule of 32 on our own. See, I'm sure nowhere in our schooling we learn about 32 divisibility, but still what I'm saying, if we know the divisibility rule of 2 properly, we can define divisibility rule of 32 as well, divisibility rule of 62 as well. It's very simple. They are logically arranged things.
நீ இதுக்கு கால் இன்னைக்கு எக்ஸாம் போனப்போ போட்டோ இருக்காங்கல்ல அதை கொண்டு போயிருந்தீங்களா அதே வெளியூர் எடுத்து போனாங்கல்ல
Thank God. So they are interrelated. Guys, can you please keep all your mics in mute? They're interrelated. Okay, so let us see how they are related, so that we will try to solve the previous problems as well. But one thing is for sure, if you observe all previous years papers, all previous year papers from CSAT, whatever the question we have given from divisibility rules or LCM HCF, they are very simple, very simple. And if you analyze, around 3 to 4 questions we are getting every year from these two topics, and of course these are very simple. But before going to solve those questions, let me explain you the basic concept of divisibility. So again and again, I am telling you, yes, I know that you people already know divisibility rules, but still let me explain you the basic concepts. Okay, let me share my screen. Already it's been sharing. Let me open. Yeah, let me explain here. So what is divisibility rule? Divisibility rule means there will be divisibility rule. Divisibility rule means there will be some rule to check whether the given number is divisible by a particular digit or not, digit or number it can be. So for example, if I say 2784931, tell me whether it is divisible by 2 or not. There will be some rule to check whether the given number is divisible by 2 or not. I'm not bothering about the uh, the what we call reminder we get when we divide the number with 2. I'm just checking whether the number is divisible by 2 or not. That's it. Okay, if I say the same number tell me whether it is divisible by 7 or not. See, there will be some rule. We need not to divide the whole number with 7 to check whether the given number is divisible by 7 or not. And we are not bothering about the quotient as well. Okay, so there will be few rules for this. So for divisibility of 2, everybody knows the last digit, we call it as units place digit, right? Units place digit. We have to check whether this units place digit is even number or odd number. Actually, this is wrong definition, but okay, this is what we learn in our schooling, right? So we have to check whether units place digit is even or odd. If it is even, it will be divisible by 2. So even, yes, divisible by 2. If units place digit is odd, it will not be divisible by 2. That's it. Whatever the number is, how much the length it has, we just yeah. Guys, can you see the screen? Is it visible? Can anybody type in the chat box? Can you see the screen? Yeah, great. So whatever the number it is, how much the length it may have. If units place is even number, it will be divisible by 2. If it is odd number, it will not be divisible by 2. Okay, so this is what we learn. But if you observe a logical arrangement between all two power numbers, let me erase this. Actual divisibility rule of 2 is, if you consider the number, some number ending with 4. Okay, this units place digit must be divisible by 2. This is the actual divisibility rule of 2. Okay, and do you remember what is divisibility rule of 4? Last two digits, tens place and units place together, it should be divisible by 4. Yes or no? So if I give you a number 2849312, see, parallelly I'll open calculator here. Few people may feel it as first class or second class, like, we are in first standard or second standard, but still, and this is very important to analyze mathematics. This is how we have to think while solving problems, while learning. This is how we have to learn actually. Okay, so I am considering this number and now I am dividing with 4. And see, in the answer or in the output, we don't have any point, right? See, if you have point, it means it is not divisible by the number. If you don't have point, it will be divisible. When I divide the number with 4, no point. So the number is divisible by 4. In fact, what I am saying, you need not to divide the whole number, just divide the last two digits. Enough. 12 is divisible by 4. 4 3s are 12. So whole number must be divisible by 4. If you want to just add one more number at the beginning. So here I'll put 9. Why not? A small request for everyone. Can you please keep all your mics on mute? So again, I'll go back and yes, what's the number now? 92849312. Divide with 4. Still, there will be no point because the last two digits are dividing with 4. So the whole number must be divided by 4. So that is divisibility rule of 4. Hope it's clear. Then, do you know what is divisibility rule of 8? Last three digits must be divisible by 8. So whatever the digits we have after units place, tens place, and hundreds place, whatever the digits we have, we don't bother. If last three digits are divisible by 8, the whole number must be divisible by 8. So that is divisibility rule of 8, right? So if you analyze these three divisibilities, if you can analyze these three divisibilities, guys, again and again, I am telling you here, whoever we have, the 14 people, we know divisibility rule of 2, we know divisibility rule of 2, we know divisibility rule of 8, but still, why we are discussing again? Because I just want to tell you how we have to analyze, divisibility rules. Okay, so uh, just two divisibility, last two digit, sorry, last one digit, right? Units place. 4 divisibility, last two digits. 8 divisibility, last 3 digits, right? Now, can I write 2 as 2 power 1? Can I write 4 as 2 square? Can I write 8 as 2 cube? So divisibility rule is nothing but last one digit must be divisible by 2. This is what we learn. For divisibility, last 2 digits must be divisible by 4. Last 3 digits must be divisible by 8. So now if I ask you what is divisibility rule of 64, how can you write 64? How can you write 64? 2 power. How, 2 power 5 or 6? Wait, 1 second. 2 cube is 8, 16, 32, 64. 2 power 6 equal to 64, right? So what is divisibility rule of 64? Last 6 digits must be divisible by 64. Yeah, I'm sure nowhere you will use this concept, nowhere you will use this concept, but still this is how we can analyze mathematics. This is how we have to analyze aptitude. This is how we have to learn actually. So if you know this concept in your schooling, you would not have to by heart all the divisibility rules, right? And this is applicable for only 2 power numbers. Similarly, you know divisibility rule of yes, can you please keep all your mics in mute? Yeah, divisibility rule of 3, divisibility rule of 9. So what is this? 3 power 1, 3 power 2, 3 power 3, 27, 81. All these divisibility rules are same. When you sum the digits, when you sum the digits, the sum should be divisible by the particular number. If it is 3 divisibility, it should be divisible by 3. If it is 9 divisibility, it should be divisible by 9. Okay, so if I give you 2, 7, 4, 9, 3, 1, is it divisible by 3 or not? So just add them. 2 plus 7, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 9, 19, 19 plus 7, 26. So 26 is the sum. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 is not divisible by 3. So the whole number will not be divisible by 3. If I replace the units place 1 with 2, then sum will be 27. 2 plus 7 will be 9. 9 is divisible by 3. So 2, 7, 4, 9, 3, 2 is divisible by 3. Of course, the sum is divisible by 9. Are you getting? So it is divisible by 9. Hope it's clear. So this is how we have to remember. And if you observe all previous CSAT questions, most of the questions are depending on 3 divisibility. So what is 3 divisibility rule? What is 3 divisibility rule? Yeah, Shiva, I'll repeat. See, 3 divisibility rule means if you want to find whether the given number is divisible by 3 or not. What is divisibility? Wait, first of all, what is divisibility? If you divide a number n with x, if you divide a number n with x, the remainder should be 0. Remainder should be 0. Then we call n is divisible by x. So indirectly, we are finding whether the x is a factor of n or not. That's it. If I say 2, 7, 4, 9, 3, 2, is it divisible by 3 or not? If I ask you like that, it means whether 3 is a factor of the given number or not. 2, 7, 4, 9, 3, 2. So that is what we call as divisibility. But see, everybody can find whether the number is divisible by 3 or not by dividing it directly. 2, 7, 4, 9, 3, 2. Divide with 3. 3 nines are 27. We are taking one number directly, 4. So put a 0 here. Only one number, no need. 3 ones are 3. 1, 1, 9. 6 are 18. 1 is remainder. Everybody can solve in this way. Everybody can solve in this way and they can find out whether the number is divisible by 3 or not. But what I am saying, without dividing like this, by looking at the number, by using a small logic or by using a small rule, we can check, we can only check, we will not find quotient, we will not find remainder. Wait, what is quotient, what is remainder? Okay, 20 29 divide with 4. Just imagine, divide with 4. 4 sevens are 28, 1. So this 7 is quotient and this 1 is remainder. Okay. Now we are not finding reminders, we are not finding quotients. We are just checking whether 29 is divisible by 4 or not. When we divide 29 with 4, shall we get 0 or not? That is what we are finding. That's it. If we get 0, 29 is divisible by 4. If we are not getting 0, 29 is not divisible by 4. That's it. So that is what divisibility means. Now there are few logics or few rules for each divisibility. We already discussed about 2. If someone missed, no problem, we will upload the same in YouTube. Jagdish, if you want to ask anything, you can ask. Mm, just give me 1 minute here. Yeah. Okay. We already discussed about 2 divisibility. 2 divisibility. So what is 2 divisibility? Last digit must be divisible by 2. 3 divisibility, sum of digits should be divisible by 3. And this is very important in CSAT. Most of the questions will be based on 3 divisibility only. Okay. Guys, just give me 1 minute. Few people, they are waiting in YouTube live session, but today we could not able to do live streaming. So I'll text them to join in Zoom. Just give me 1 minute. By the time, if you have any doubts, you can write in the chat box. I'm just texting in YouTube live streaming. Yeah, done. Yeah, RD, till now we just discussed what is the meaning of divisibility and what is divisibility rule of 2 and 3. That's it. Of course, we finished 4 divisibility. We finished 8 divisibility. So what is 4 divisibility? By looking at a number, how can we say whether the number is divisible by 4 or not? Very simple. If last 2 digits of a number is divisible by 4, the total number will be divisible by 4 without a doubt. So everybody knows that 12 is divisible by 4. Now you take your calculators and try it on your own. Before 12, put any 4 digit numbers, any 4 digit. You can take last 4 digits of your phone number. Okay. We will try whether it is divisible by 4 or not. So for me, last 4 digits of my phone number is okay, 1022. Okay. And at the end, I'll put 12. I'll put 12. Now, if I divide it with 4, you see, I'm not getting any point here. So when we are not getting any point, it means the number is completely divisible by 4. For example, instead of 12 at the end, if I take 1022, instead of 12, if I take 13, I'm sure 13 is not divisible by 4, right? So when I divide it with 4, I'll get answer in points. Yes, 0.25. I'm getting some point. I'm getting answer in some points, means it is not divisible by 4. So Another example, before 12 I'll put some random 6 7 digits. Okay, I'll go with 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now I'll put 1 to 12 at the end. When you divide the number with 4, remainder, sorry, not remainder, the output will not be in points, means the total number will be divisible by 4. Is it clear? So similarly, we discussed about 8 divisibility. What is 8 divisibility? Last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. So tell me a 3 digit number which is divisible by 8. Yeah, I'll go with 816, because 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16 na? So 816 must be divisible by 8. So now I'll consider one number randomly, 4, okay, 7 8 5 4 2 3, but at the end I'll put 816. When I divide it with 8, output will not have point. Yes or no? I'll take one more number. I'll take one small number, 35 816. When I add this 816 and when I divide with 8, the output will not have point. Hope you are getting this. So if you look at the number, you need not to divide the whole number with 8 to find whether it is divisible by 8 or not. You just have to um, divide only last 3 digits. Okay. One more second. I'll turn on my camera. Yeah, done. So this is how we can check whether the given number is divisible by 8 or not. Fine. Similarly, we finished 3, no? The same rule for 9. The same rule for 9. If you sum the digits of the given number, if it is divisible by 9, the total number will be divisible by 9. For example, I'll consider 2 plus 7, 9. Okay. 1 plus 8, 9. So the total number should be divisible by 9. If you want, you can cross check. 7 plus 2 is 9, plus 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. 8 plus 1 equal to 9. When the total sum of the digits is divisible by 9, the total number must be divisible by 9. If you want, you can cross check. 2718. So 2718 divide with 9. There is no point. So it is divisible by 9. Fine. Now don't feel that it is a first standard or second standard class. Okay, try to analyze the basic concept of divisibility. 2 2 square, 2 cube, all these has similar kind of divisibility rules. For 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 power 3, 2 cube, 2 power 4, all these we have to check the last digit, last 2 digits, last 3 digits. Next for 16, last 4 digits. For 32, last 5 digits. For 64, last 6 digits. Like that we have to check. For all 3 parts we have to just sum the digits and we have to check whether it is divisible by 3, 9 or not. Okay, next series we will go with 5 divisibility. Next we will go with 5 divisibility. See, 5 power 2, what is 5 square? 25. 5 cube, what is 5 cube? 125. All these has a certain type of divisibility rule. What is that? Last one digit should be divisible by 5 if you want to check whether the number is divisible by 5 or not. So I'll consider one number like 1 to 5, sorry, 725. Okay, 725. Here the last digit 5, it is divisible by 5, no? So the total number will be divisible by 5 without a doubt. Now I'll consider one more number, 84932. Take any number. Guys, just give me 1 minute. So consider any number. If we have 5 at the end or 0 at the end, the complete number will be divisible by 5. Yes or no? Are you getting this? And similarly for 25, we have to check last 2 digits. So now we know that 25, 50, 75, 00. These numbers are divisible by 25. Na? So I'll do one thing. I'll take one number which is ending with 75, which is ending with 75. I'm sure whatever the number it is, it will be divisible by 25. So 98652, and at the end I'll put 75. Now divide with 25. No point. Are you getting? Similarly, if I take last 3 digits, which can be divisible by 125. Okay, 125 twos are how much? 250. Na? So I'll consider some random number which is ending with 250. Which is ending with 250. And I am sure it will be divisible by 125. So 147852 ending with 250. Na? Okay, 250 by 125. There will be no point for sure. So this is how we have to analyze. Again, I'm telling you, nowhere we will use the concept of 125 divisibility, but this is how we have to think. This is how we have to learn concept. Okay. And next, what we missed, 6 divisibility and its multiples, 12 divisibility, 18 divisibility, 24 divisibility. All these divisibilities I'll explain now. Is it audible now, Tejasri? Is it clear now? Yeah, I'm sorry. Hope you got whatever I explained previously. Now before this, right? So next, 6 divisibilities. 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24. These divisibilities, they have a separate, please repeat, which one? 5 divisibilities. RD, shall I repeat 5 divisibilities? See, we observed 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power 4, these divisibilities. Na? Similarly, we can, 5 divisibilities, yes. We can apply the same concept for 5 divisibilities. 5 power 1, if last digit is divisible by 5, the entire digit will be divisible by 5. So, I'll take some number randomly. Take any number. What? Okay, you do one thing. You take your phone number, but put 5 at the end. It will be divisible by 5. Okay, take your phone number, put 25 or 50 or 75 at the end. It will be divisible by 25 for sure, because 25 ones are 25, 25 twos are 50, 25 threes are 75, 25 fours are 100, and after that it will be 125. Again, last 2 digits will be 25, and then 25 sixes are 150 ending with 50, sevens are 175 ending with 75. So last 2 digits will be these 4 only. So you do one thing, consider any 5 digits, whatever the digits you like, put 75 at the end. That number will be divisible by 25 without a dot. Consider any 5 digits, consider any 6 digits, consider any 20 digits, but put 75 at the end. That will be divisible by 25. Okay, this is a small trick, but I am sure nowhere you will use 25 divisibility. Okay, but this is how we have to learn. Now, all 6 and 6 multiples has a logic of divisibility rules. Nowhere you would learn all these things here. In our childhood also, we did not learn all these things. We just learn divisibility rule of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's it. Finished. But see how logically they are arranged. 6 multiples. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24. All these has a particular pattern. Can you write 6 as 2 into 3? Yes. Can you write 12 as 3 into 4? Can you write 18 as 2 into 9? So it's very simple. If you want to check whether the given number is divisible by 6 or not, you have to check whether the given number is divisible by 2 and 3 or not. If the given number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then the number will be divisible by 6 for sure. So here I will give you a small logic. Again, this small logic. If a number is to be divisible by 2, it should be an even number, right? So even if the number is divisible by 3, like 7 to 9, this number is divisible by 3, no doubt in that. But still, the number is divisible by, the number is not divisible by 6 because it's an odd number. It's an odd number. So divisible by 2, no, not possible. So divisible by 6, no, not possible. So if a number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then only the number will be divisible by 6. Otherwise, the number will not be divisible by 6. So what you have to do, okay, I'll consider one number, then you will understand. Some random number. What is the time now? 2031. Okay, so this number, whether it is divisible by 6 or not, I'll say no directly, because if you want to divide a number with 6, units place must be an even number, no doubt in that. Why? Look at this number, must be divisible by 2 and must be divisible by 3. This number may be divisible by 3 but not by 2. Yes or no? Because it's an odd number. Directly I can say no yaar, this number is not divisible by 6. No, no, impossible. Why? It's an odd number. Hope you are following me. Yes. For example, what is today's date? Today's okay, what is this year? 2022. Now this number, if you observe, add the 3, add the 4 digits. 2 plus 0 is 2, plus 2 is 4, plus 2 is 6. As some of the digits is divisible by 3 and the units place digit is even number, yes, this must be divisible by 6, because 2022 is divisible by both 2 and 3. Similarly, if you want to check whether a number is divisible by 12 or not, the number must be divisible by both 3 and 4. 3 and 4. So the same 2022 is divisible by 3 but not by 4. You may ask, how do you know that 2022 is not divisible by 4? Because last two digits, what are those? 22 is not divisible by 4. 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, and 22, it is not divisible by 4. So that's the reason 2022 is not divisible by 12. I can say directly. I need not to check. I need not to do all the calculations. By looking at the number, I can say 2022 is not divisible by 12 because it is divisible by 3 but not by 4. Okay. Yeah, great. Now 18, how can I write 18? I can write 18 as 2 into 9. Yes or no? So 18 divisibility is, it should be divisible by 2 and it should be divisible by 9. Hope it's clear. All right. So this is how we have to analyze. Now I'll skip 7 divisibility here because it creates some confusion. That's it. It creates some confusion. Just to make you understand, I'll give you one small example, but don't bother about this if you don't understand. Okay. One caution, most of the people will confuse with 7 divisibility, but my sincere suggestion is you try to avoid it if you don't understand. Okay, tell me one number randomly. Okay, now time is 2034. Okay, so we will check whether this number is divisible by 7 or not. It's very simple actually, but most of the people will confused with this. Consider, not consider, okay, take units place digit and separate it from the rest of the digits. So 203 and separate 4. Now multiply 4 with 2. Okay, just double the units place and subtract from the remaining. Let me tell you again. Units place, separate from the other digits, double it and subtract from the other. 4 2s are 8, subtract 8 from 203, it will be 195. So result is 195. Now we reduced 4 digits to 3 digits, 195. So I'll write 195 here. Again, units place digit, separate, double it and subtract from remaining. 19 minus 5 2s are 10. So this is 9. This is the resultant. Now we reduce 3 digits to single digit. So this single digit must be either 7 or 0. Then only total number will be divisible by 7. 9 is not divisible by 7 na. So 2034 is not divisible by 7. Now I'll do one thing. Can anybody give me a number? Can anybody give me a number, your own number in the chat box, so that we will check whether it is divisible by 7 or not. Try to give a small number. Yeah, don't give me 10 digit number. And if you have any confusion with 7 divisibility, please skip it. Yeah, I got a number here. 1997 from Sahil. So Sahil, 1997, 199 minus double of units place digit, 14. 14. So resultant is how much? 185. So I reduced 4 digits to 3 digits, 185. Now this 185, 18 minus double of units place digit. This is 8. I reduced 4 digits to 3 digits, 3 digits to 1 digit now. And 8, is it divisible by 7? No. So the total number 1997 is not divisible by 7. Okay. Now, can you do one thing? Anyone, please take your calculator and take any 3-digit number, multiply with 7 and tell me that number. Just we will check with a multiple of 7. Can anybody tell me one 7 multiple? Can anybody tell me one 7 multiple? One 7 multiple, please. Yeah. Hey, Raviteja, give me at least 4-digit number. Someone gave me 1106. Okay. 9879. 1477 Shiva, it's very clear now. 7211. So I'll go with 9879. 9879. Okay. Now 3-digit number 987 minus double of 9 is 18. So 987 minus 18, how much? 9, 7 minus 6, 9. Yes or no? Yeah, right. So resultant is 969. Now last 2 digits, 96 minus 9 twos are 18. 96 minus 18, how much? 96 minus 18, how much? 8, 7, 78. Is it? Did I do any mistake? One second. It is not divisible by 7 here. 9879 by 7. Oh, it is not divisible by 7. 7 11s are 77. We are getting one reminder here. No, it is not divisible by 7. Please give me one number which is divisible by 7. Okay. I opened my calculator, some random numbers. Now it is 2038. Now I'll take 38 into 7. Okay. 385 into 7. I got this number. 2695. Let me check whether it is divisible by 7 or not. Of course, I know it is divisible by 7, but let me cross check in this method. 2695. Okay. So with the same procedure, 269 minus double of units place. The resultant is 259. So reduce it to 3 digit, 259. So here 25 minus 9 twos are 18. 25 minus 18 is 7. So yes, 7 is divisible by 7. The whole number must be divisible by 7. It's very simple. Okay. Simple, but few people, they get confused. Okay. Hope Chetana, you can try the number on your own. You understood the case, no? How we have to solve it. Great. So 7 divisibility is different from others. There is no hey, wait. For 7 and 13 also we have to use the same logic. Yeah, it's divisible, right? So for 13 also we have to do the same. For 13 also concept is same. Okay. For 13 you can try on your own. Now 10 divisibility. Hope I need not to explain you this. What is 10 divisibility rule? Last digit must be divisible by 10. Oh, indirectly last number should be 0. Is it? It's divisible. Okay, you can use the same concept and you can cross check on your own, Bharat or Chetana, whoever. Okay, I'm just explaining you the concepts. And after 5 minutes we will start with the previous questions. So 10 units place digit must be 0. That's it. Okay, if I say 7 4 9 3 2 1 0, yes, the number will be divisible by 10. And here the beauty is This number, when you divide with 10, what is the remainder? When you divide a number with 10, units place of the number will be the remainder. Are you getting? When you divide a number with 10, units place digit will be the remainder. That is one concept you must remember in 2006 verse. Okay, okay, it's okay, no problem. You have to use this concept in recently 2021 CSAT question, in the same question. Okay, there was a number. When you divide this number with 10, what will be the remainder? A question, direct question was asked. Okay, so units place digit will be the remainder when you divide the number with 10. Remember. Okay, next. Finally, 11 divisibility rule. 11 divisibility rule is a bit tricky and easy and most important one. Okay, it's a bit tricky, very easy, most important. Okay, consider a 5-digit number. I'll go with 11 5 2022. Okay, 11th date 5th month 2022. Here we have uh, even place digits, even place digits and odd place digits. You can start from right hand or left hand, whatever the end you can start. Alternative digits, few are even places, few are odd places, right? Now you have to sum all odd places and all even places. You have to sum all odd places and all even places. From this example, sum of odd places is 1 plus 2 plus 2, 5. And what is the sum of even places? 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 0 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. Okay, sum of odd places is 5, sum of even places is 8. Now subtract the two resultants. Subtract the two results, 5 and 8. What is the difference between 8 and 5? Difference is 3. Okay, if your difference is either 11 or 0, then only the number will be divisible by 11. Otherwise it will not be divisible by 11. So as 3 is the output, as 3 is the difference, this number 1152022 is not divisible by 11. Let me repeat. Find out, sir, how to know reminders when divided by other numbers. Sahil, I don't know whether you attended my first session or not. Aptitude means it's not a mathematical subject actually. It's completely logical one. See, aptitude questions are like, if you can use common sense, you have to get the answer. For example, if I give you a 10-digit number and if I ask you what is remainder of the number, what is remainder of the number? In that case, by dividing the number, you will get the remainder. By dividing the number, you will get the remainder. But that will be a mathematical question. If it is aptitude question, it may be 10 digits or 20 digits or 50 digits. But the question will be like, when you divide the number with 10, then tell me remainder. They'll ask you about 10 only, because we know that units place digit will be the remainder directly. Or they may ask you what is the remainder when we divide that with 5. With 5, that is another possibility. They'll ask only when we divide with 10. Second possibility is when we divide with 5, because if you divide a number with 5, reminders can be, what can be reminders? You see, 1 2 3 divide with 5. Okay, units place digit is 5, it will be the, sorry, units place digit is 3, that will be the remainder. Or it can be like this, 127, when you divide 127 with 5, we know that it can be 5 or 0 and remainder will be 2. Are you getting? So with blue color I am writing, when you divide a number with 5, if the number is ending with 1 2 3 4, the same will be the reminders, the same. Okay, if it is ending with 5, remainder will be 0. If it is ending with 6, again 1 7, again 2, 8 again 3, 9 again 4, and 10 it will be 0. Let me give you one example. 1, 3, 4, 9 divide with 5. What will be the remainder? No doubt, as it is ending with 9, remainder will be 4. That's it. Okay. And there will be another possibility. When the number is divided with, so please tell me if the question will be points, then they will not ask. Maruti, they will not ask. They will not ask because there should be logic. If it is an aptitude problem, there should be logic. If they ask some random number, tell me what is the remainder, it will be mathematical question. It will not be aptitude. See, if someone is giving a question, they should solve without using pen and paper, then only they can give you question. Okay, na? Aptitude is very beautiful here. You need not use your mathematical concepts here. You have to use common sense, but basics of mathematics is required. Okay, yeah, here someone posted last year question. We will explain that question also. Just wait for some time. RD, I'll explain how to solve this question. Very beautiful question. I like that question very much. Let me explain you the third case. Yes, just 1 second, please. Just 1 second. Yeah, I'm sorry. Let me continue. There would be third case. They'll ask what will be the remainder when it is divisible by 2. When it is divisible by 2. Because if units place is 0, remainder will be 0. Oh, there will be third possibility. They'll ask, tell me what is the remainder if the number is divisible by 2. If the given number, that may be 10 digit number, 20, 30, 40 digit number, we don't bother. If units place digit is an even number, remainder will be 0. For 2, if the number is even number, remainder is 0. If the number is odd number, remainder will be 1. That's it. So you just consider your phone number. You just consider your phone number. If your phone number is an even number, when you divide with 2, it will be 0, the remainder. If your phone number is an odd number, when you divide it with 2, remainder will be 1. Yes or no? Are you getting? So in aptitude, they'll ask you the reminders for these 3 numbers only, for these 3 numbers only. Other than these 3, they'll not give. So for previous year question, already mentioned, no, 3 par something, 3 par 2019. Yeah, for the number 3 par 2019, they'll ask you to find out remainder only when we divide with 10, or maybe when we divide with 5, or maybe divide with 2. But they never ask you what will be the remainder of 3 par 2019 when you divide with 7. If they give the same question, you can ask them back, okay, you tell me, I don't know. They also will say, I don't know. I'll use calculator. Okay, calculator, syntax error, mathematical error. No human can give answer for that. Okay, Ramanujan also cannot give answer for that. Seriously, that will be a mathematical question, but still mathematicians also cannot give answer for that, because 3 par 2019 will be an exponential answer, exponential function it will be, and finding remainder when we divide with 7 is impossible. With common sense, we can say whatever the units place digit will be, that will be the remainder when we divide with 10. And of course, everybody knows how to find out units place digit of a par. 3 par 2019 for sure, no doubt. It will end with 7. Units place digit will be 7. When you divide this 3 par 2019 with 10, remainder will be 7. When you divide this 3 par 2019 with 5, remainder will be 2. When you divide 3 par 2019 with 2, remainder will be 1. How you know? By finding units place digits. And don't worry, if you don't know how to find out units place digit, I'll explain. You may say, hello Sriram, wait, 3 par 2019, it must end with 7. How would you know? Okay, I'll explain, don't worry. It's very simple concept. Okay, it is very simple concept. I'll explain a bit later. So hope you understood how to find out divisibility rule. What is divisibility rule of 11? Okay, let me consider one more number and let me check whether it is divisible by 11 or not. 1 2 1 3 0 6 9. Okay, some random numbers I am taking. Okay, let me check whether it is divisible by 9 11 or not. Now you have to differentiate odd places and even places, right? So you can say whether they are odd places or even places. It's okay, no problem. And these places, just add them. 6 plus 3 plus 2, 9 plus 11, and 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 0 is 2, 2 plus 9 is 11. So sum of odd places is 11, sum of even places is 11, and their difference is 0. When their difference is 0, it must be divisible by 11. If you want, you can cross check by using calculator. Okay, I'll take calculator here. What is the number? 121 306 9. Can you see? When we divide with 11, there is no point in the output. So it's very clear. Now almost we learn all the divisibility rules, but you must remember 3 divisibility, 11 divisibility, 4 divisibility the most. Okay, fine. We'll solve few previous year problems so that we will understand. We will understand how UPSC questions are, how CSAT questions are. Okay, just give me 1 minute. We'll go back to previous year questions. And guys, I don't know how many of you are regularly attending these live sessions, but as you people have your CSAT just 1 month away, I think not even 1 month. 5th will be your test now. We have hardly 20 days. In these 20 days, few are from engineering background who feel aptitude is very simple. Few are from non-engineering background who feel that aptitude is difficult one. But for me, aptitude is all about your common sense. It's not about your background, your educational background, right? So it's completely about your common sense. If you can use common sense, if you can think logically, you can solve any aptitude problem. But of course, for this less time, you may not be able to practice on your own. You are now practicing along with me. It's a kind of rapid revision for you. Okay, we are not just solving previous year questions. Oh, Shiva, we are not helping here. This is our motto actually. Okay, Ramsai, from Ramsai we are helping many people from our different programs. I'll explain. I have been explaining the same programs in our live sessions as well, but we feel it as our responsibility. Okay. mm, yeah. Thank you, Bharat. Please inform to your friends to join these sessions. We expected 40 to 50 people every day, but hardly we are getting 20, 30 people. So please inform to your friends. Now, it's a kind of rapid revision for you so that you can learn the concept. We are not just solving the previous year questions, but we are learning the basics, right? Now, how many 5-digit prime numbers can be obtained by using all the digits, by using all the digits, by using all the digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 without repetition of digits. Okay, please read the problem again. It's very logical one, very logical one. And if you can apply common sense, third class student can solve this question easily. How many 5-digit prime numbers can be obtained by using all the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 without repetition? Without repetition means you have to use, see, here we have many keywords. Prime number, it should be a prime number. Okay, using all the digits without repetition. So first keyword is, yeah, okay. Kirtana, can you please tell me what is that number? That one number? Okay, you try. By the time I'll explain. What is the meaning of prime number? First of all, prime number means the number should not be divisible by any other number. The number should not be divisible by any number other than the same number itself. Yes or no? So indirectly, I can say prime numbers will have no factors. other than the number itself and 1? Yes or no? And we are making a 5-digit number, and it should have all the digits without repetition. So the number can be 1 2 3 4 5, or it can be 1 2 3 5 4. The number can be 1 2 4 5 3. Number can be 1 2 4 3 5. Like that, we can have 5 factorial numbers. 120 different numbers we can form, but how many of them are prime numbers? How many of them are prime numbers? See, without repetition means the number should not be like this: 1 2 3 2 5. 2 cannot be repeat again. So without repetition, we can write total 120 different numbers using 1 2 3 4 5. But out of those 120 numbers, how many are prime numbers? Hello boss, I don't even know the first 10 15 prime numbers. Okay, tell me, what are the prime numbers we have from 1 to 100? Who knows? We don't remember, right? Then how can we find 5-digit prime numbers? Impossible. Even in internet also you cannot find it. Then use common sense. Use common sense. Prime numbers never have any factors, but sum of any of these 120 numbers is what? Sum of any of these 120 numbers. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. How much? It is 15. 15 is divisible by 3. Means all these 120 numbers will be divisible by 3 without a doubt. So I'm sure few of they are thinking like, if the number is ending with 2, that is not a prime number. If the number is ending with 4, that is not a prime number. If the number is ending with 5, it is not a prime number. So units place must be either 1 or 3. This is how you will think, but just add them. Use 3 divisibility rule. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 is 15, which is divisible by 3. So all these 120 numbers are divisible by 3. Then how many prime numbers we have? 0. No number is a prime number. Okay. When you use all the digits, no number is a prime number. Are you getting why? Some of the digits will be divisible by 3. So every of these 20 numbers, 120 numbers, are 3 multiples. When they are 3 multiples, how can they be prime numbers? Impossible, no? So I can go with option A. CSAT 2020 question. How logical it is, right? So we'll solve one more problem. An 8-digit number 4252746B leaves remainder 0 when it is divisible by 3. How many values of B are possible? It's very simple. The same formula, the same concept. Add them. 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 5 11, 11 plus 2 13, 13 plus 7 20, 20 plus 4 24, and 6 30. 30 plus b, 30 plus b, it should be divisible by 3. So when we consider 0 for b, total sum will be 30 plus 0 30, which is divisible by 3. When you consider 3 for b, 30 plus 3 will be 33, which is divisible by 3. When you consider b equal to 6, 30 plus 6 is 36, which is divisible by 3. When you consider b equal to 9, 30 plus 9 is 39, which is divisible by 3. So total 4 different possibilities are there for b. Are you getting? Total 4 different possibilities are there for b. So option C will be the answer. Any doubts? And here most of the people, they forget about 0 value. They forget to consider b equal to 0, and most of the people, they go with option B, but that is wrong. You can consider 0 as well. Okay, now so we'll go with the next one. Number 136 is added to 5b7, and the sum obtained by 7a3 obtained is 7a3, where a and b are integers. It is given that 7a3 is exactly divisible by 3. The only possible value of b is dash. Okay. Number 136, left side I'm solving. 136, 5b7. when you add, the resultant will be 7a3. The resultant will be 7a3, and the 7a3 is divisible by 3. Okay, 7a3 is divisible by 3 means sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. 10 plus a by 3 should be divisible. So a can be 2, yes or no? Can be 5, can be 8. So a can be 2, 5, 8, because 10 plus 2 is 12, which is divisible by 3. 10 plus 5 is 15, which is divisible by 3. 10 plus 8 is divisible by 3, 18. So a can be 2 or 5 or 8. A can be 2 or 5 or 8. Okay, out of these we have to find out one, and the bad thing is all these three numbers are in options. We can eliminate only option C. 7 cannot be the answer. Can be 2, it can be 5, it can be 8. So what is the only digit possible? 6 plus 7 is 13. 13. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus b will be either 2 or 5 or 8. Okay, let me repeat. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus b will be either 2 or 5 or 8. But where, if you observe clearly, if you observe carefully, okay, here 5 plus 1, last 5 plus 1 is 6, but resultant is 7. So there was a carry, yes or no? So I can say 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4 plus b should be either 12 or 15 or 18, not 2, 5, 8. It is 12 or 15 or 18. You may have a doubt. Why it is 12? How do you know that we have a carry here? Boss, look at this. 1 plus 5 should be 6, but here it is 7. So there must be a carry. Carry means it must be either 12 or 15 or 18. So I wrote the same here. 4 plus b should be either 12 or 15 or 18. Now we will analyze. If you want to get okay, if you want to get 12, 4 plus dash gives you 12. 4 plus 8 gives you 12. If you want to get 15, 4 plus 11 should be 15. Yes or no? 4 plus 14 is 18. Okay, so b value can be either 8 or 11 or 14. Here a small mistake from my side here. I eliminated options now. That is for a but not for b. It's my mistake. They are asking about b value but not a value, so I cannot even eliminate c. It can be a possibility. It's okay, no worries. So ultimately I can say b can be 8 or 11 or 14. So out of the four options, how many options we have? 8, 11, 14. Only one option na. So d will be the answer. D will be the answer. It may be a bit confusing one for you. Just take a screenshot of it and you can analyze on your own after the session. Please take a screenshot of this. Done. And don't worry if you have any doubts or confused with any question. After the session, we are uploading all the videos in our YouTube channel, Ramsai IAS. You can subscribe and you can watch all the videos. Yes, here is our favorite question asked in 2021 CSAT. 3 power 2019 is divisible by 10. Then what is the remainder? So as I told you, they may ask these three only: divisible by 10 or divisible by 5 or divisible by 2. That's it. Other than these three numbers, they will not ask any other, because they also cannot get the answer. We know that remainder of a number will be the units place digit when we divide with 10. So here the total our target is to find out units
தெரியலையே
place
போட்டோதானே வைக்கிறேன்
units place of 2 power 19. We need to find out this one. That's it. So how to find out units place digit of a number? How to find out units place digit of a number? You see 3 power 1 is 3, 3 square is 9, 3 cube is 27. 3 power 4 is 81. 3 power 5 equal to 243. 3 power 6 equal to 729, like that. If you look at the only units places, 3791, 379, 3971, I am sorry, 3971, 3971, the same repeats. So for every 4 parts, the units places will be the same. For every 4 parts, so in 2019 we have to find out how many 4 parts we have, how many 4s we have, because for every 4 parts the same cycle is repeating. No, 3971, 3971, 3971. It's very simple here, very simple. See, for a week we have 7 days. For a week we have 7 days. Today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. After 9 days it will be dash. Okay, you can look at me on screen at your right corner, type top right corner. Today is Wednesday. After 9 days it will be dash. Okay, today is Wednesday. So Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So after 9 days means I'm excluding today. So 9th day will be after 9 days, right? So today is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Friday will be the answer. But instead of considering 9 days, I'll consider only 2 days by removing 7. Why I am removing 7? I know that for every 7 days, the same cycle of Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday repeats, right? So I am removing those 7 days. Again, why I am removing 7? Because for every 7 days, the same week repeats. Today is Wednesday. After how many days you will get next Wednesday? After 7 days only. So I am removing those 7 days. So after 2 days, it will be dash Thursday, Friday, Friday. After 9 days or after 2 days, the day will be same. Similarly, after 110 days, if I ask you after 110 days, I'll divide with 7. Remainder is 5. So whatever the day we get after 5 days, the same day after 120 days we will get. So today is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. After 5 days it will be Monday. In fact, after 110 days also it will be Monday only. Is it clear? Why we are dividing with 7? Because for every 7 days the cycle of week repeats. Here we will divide the part 2019 with 4, because for every 4 parts the 3 part cycle is getting repeated, right? Hope it's very clear for you. We have to divide 2019 with 4. Why we are dividing with 4? Because for every 4 parts the cycle of 3971 repeats. So we are checking how many 4 powers we have in 2019, and we will find out remainder. But wait, why you are dividing 2019 with 4? Yeah, what is divisibility rule of 4? Last 2 digits must be divisible by 4 na. So instead of dividing 2019, I'll divide only 19 with 4. 4 4s are 16 and remainder is 3. So now I can say whatever the units place digit we get for third power, the same digit you will get for 2019. What is third power of 3 units place? Third power of 3 units place digit is 7. So 2029 also it's end with 7 only. Let me repeat again. So as we discussed, whatever the day you will get after 2 days, the same day you will get after 9 days. Whatever the day you get after 5 days, you'll get the same day after 110 days. Why? We are just removing 7777. Yeah, that's it. We are just removing 7777, because for every 7 days the cycle of week repeats. Here we are removing 4444, because for every 4 parts the same cycle is repeating. Okay, so I just divide 2019 with 4 and I find out remainder is 3. So I can say whatever the third part of 3 we have, the same will be for 2019. So 3 part 2019 value I don't know. Wait, let me try in my calculator. I have scientific calculator in another room, but 3 part 2019, if you do now, you will get syntax error or math error. Means my calculator cannot find it. I also cannot find it, but I'm sure units place digit must be 7. I don't know, it may have 15 digit number. It may be a 15 digit number or maybe 30 digit number. I'm not bothering about it, but units place must be 7. Because when I divide 2019 with 4, I'm getting 3. Means whatever the third power I have, the same will be 2002 power 3 power 2019. So units place digit is 7. When I divide it with 10, the remainder will be 7. That's it. Okay. Now just give me 1 minute. We will discuss one more problem. See, you may get the same question next year. Who knows? 3 power 2741 is divisible by 5. Remainder is dash. This is a question. Same as 2020 question now. Can you try on your own? Take 1 minute and tell me answer. Take 1 minute and tell me answer. Make it fast. Thirty seconds more. 10 seconds more. Done. Okay. Let me try. Let me try. See, 2741. When you divide the part 2741 with 4, I need not to divide 2741 with 4. I know 4 divisibility. Last 2 digits we need to divide. 4 tens are 40. So remainder will be 1. So the same 3 power 1, 3. So this number will be ending with 3. I don't know. It may be a 10 digit or 50 digit number, but it must end with 3. When a number is ending with 3, when you divide it with 5, the remainder will be 3 only. So whoever gets answer 3, they are right. Very good. Chetana, I'll ask you one question here. Chetana's answer is 9. Very good. You tried really good, but use common sense. See, you may not get exact answer 3, but the answer you got na 9. It's really bad, yaar. It's really bad because when a number x is divisible by 5, reminders can be maximum 4. Maximum remainder can be 4. See, I'll tell you one thing. Just I learned it in my schooling year. That's it. I'm just reminding you. You also learned it in your schooling, but you might forgot. It's okay. We will remind it again. When you divide a number with n, the maximum remainder can be n minus 1. Okay. So let me try with 3, 4 numbers. Consider 13. Why it is getting late? Okay. Divide 13 with 3. 3 4s are 12. Remainder is 1. Next number, divide 14 with 3. 3 4s are 12. Remainder is 2. Divide next number 15 with 3. 3 5s are 15 and remainder is 0. It is 0. Now next number 16. 3. 3 5s are 15. Remainder is 1. Next number 17. 3 5s are 15. Remainder is 2. Next number 18. Divide with 3. 3 6s are 18 and remainder is 0. So when you divide a number with 3, maximum remainder can be 2 only. The next number will be 0 again. So when you divide a number with 5, it cannot be 9. It cannot be 9. Yeah, got it? Got it? So 5 cannot be the answer. 9 cannot be the answer. When you divide a number with 5, maximum remainder can be 4, but not 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? Hope it's clear for you. Okay, okay, fine. No problem. But it's common sense. Like I'll tell you one thing. In one exam, in 2017 banking exams, if I am not wrong, the question was like, there was a number. See, everybody knows in any government exams like banking or railways, in these exams, you have to answer 100 questions in 60 minutes. So most of the questions will be very logical one. I don't remember exact question. A number is like this. Some number, say 1 2 4 9 7 2. When it is divisible by 3, remainder is dash. Divide by 3, remainder is dash. This is the question, and options are like this. Option A, 4. Option B, sorry, option B, 5. Option C, 2. Option D, 7. For this question, you need not to solve the problem. You can go with option C directly. The only number, the only option which is less than 3 will be the answer. So sometimes you have to use this point. Okay. So next question we will solve. What is the least 4-digit number when divisible by 3, 4, 5, 6 leaves a remainder 2 in each case? When you divide a number by 3, 4, 5, 6 leaves remainder 2 in each case is what? So for this kind of questions, you can go with LCM method you can solve, or directly also you can cross check. But for this question, I'll go with trial and error method here. I'll divide the 4 options with 5. I'll find where I'll get 2. I'll divide with 3 where I'll get 2 remainder. Like that I'll cross check. But here with practice you will understand by which number you have to divide. As I have more practice, I'll divide with 3. Why with 3? Because when you divide all these 4 options with 5, all options will give you 2 only remainder. For 4 also, all options will give you a remainder 2 only. So I'll not go with 4 and 5. I'll divide with 3. And why I'm not going with 6? For 6, you have to check whether it is divisible by 3 or not, whether it is divisible by 2 or not. So why to try for 2 times? 1 is enough, na? So I am dividing with 3. Remainder is 2. So I'll do one thing. I'll subtract 2 from each case. I'll subtract 2 from each case, and I'll check whether it is divisible by 3 or not. Are you getting? See, you have to get remainder 2 when divide with 3. That is my question. And options are like 5 comma 3 comma 9 comma 6, some random values. I'll subtract 2 2 2 2 from each, and I'll check which one is divisible by 3. Yes or no? It's very simple, na? This is the only, and this will be the answer, like that. So when I subtract 2 from each number, 1010 option A, 1119 option B, sorry, 20, 1020, 1220. So if you add them, 1 plus 1, 2. So I can eliminate option A. Why I am eliminating? Sum is 2, not divisible by 3. 1120, sum is 4. Eliminate option C. 1020, sum is 3. Yes, it can be answer. 1 plus 2 plus 2, 5. Not possible. So option B will be the answer. Very simple. Just use divisibility rule, you will get the answer. Okay. Next, okay, these questions are from LCM HCF. Guys, I'll tell you one thing. Today, unfortunately, we could not live stream these sessions. So just want to go with LCM HCF in the next session so that most of the people utilize it. Tomorrow, I am going to explain you how to find out LCM and HCF just by looking at the numbers. So 40, 42, 45. What is LCM of these three numbers? Simply in 10 seconds, I'll find out without using pen and paper. How? I'll explain you. Most of the people knows how to find out LCM by using this method. Okay, 42, 45, like this. Okay, at least we can find, but how to find out HCF? Nobody knows, right? I'll explain you how to find out HCF of two or more numbers tomorrow. And shortcut I'll explain you. Okay, and how to find out LCM and HCF of a fraction, numerator and denominator. Okay, tomorrow we will see how to find out LCM and HCF of a fraction as well. Okay, hope the session helps you. And sir, can you explain previous question of divisibility by 5? No, for the previous question, whatever the digit is divisible by 5, it gives you remainder 2 only, na? Because what is divisibility rule of 5? Ending number should be either 0 or 5. Either 0 or 5. So all the numbers will give you 2 divisible, 2 remainder. That's the reason I am not going with 5. 1022. Remainder must be 2 only, na? 1222. Yes, by 2 only. 1012. Remainder is 2 only. So in all cases, remainder will be 2 only. That's the reason I'm just eliminating it. Okay. Previous one. Oh, this one. When we divide with 5, Sahil, is it the question? Sahil?
Sorry, the one you gave as example, sir. Example, the one you gave as example.
Oh, I forgot here. Which one? Oh, this one.
Yes, sir.
We just need to find out units place digit. And you know how to find out units places, right? I already explained. When we divide a number with 5, wait, I'll take an empty place. If the units place is 1, remainder will be 1. If units place is 2, remainder will be 2. If units place is 3, remainder will be 3. If units place is 4, when you divide it, when you divide with 5, remainder will be 4. When the number is ending with 5, remainder will be 0, because I told you, when you are dividing a number with n, maximum remainder can be n minus 1. And again, cycle repeats. Okay, next, 6. When you divide 6 with 5, remainder is 1. When you divide 7 with 5, remainder is 2. When you divide 8 with 5, remainder is 3. When you divide 9 with 9 with 5, remainder is 4. When you divide a number ending with 0 is 5 by 5, remainder will be 0. So if I say 3 power 8, 1, 3, 4. Okay, just imagine. I'll just divide last 2 digits with 4 and I'll find out remainder. And remainder is 2. Okay, so 3 power 8134 units place is equal to units place digit of 3 square, because when you divide 34 with 4, remainder will be 2. So 3 power 8134 units place and 3 power 2 units place will be same, and that is 9. When you divide this number with 5, remainder will be 4. So the question is like 3 power 8134. When you divide this number with 5, what will be the remainder? Remainder will be 4. Just we need to find out units place and then divide with 5. It's very simple. Whatever the answer you get, that will be the answer. Okay, yeah, thank you. So guys, please inform your friends to join sessions from tomorrow, and from tomorrow again the same live streaming will be continued. Okay, and please join in our Telegram to get complete PDF of the previous questions, which are segregated in level of difficulty and for each topic wise. Okay, you can utilize them. So meet you tomorrow again. Bye bye. Telegram link na, Sahil, it's very simple. Just search for Ramsai IAS in Telegram. Search for Ramsai IAS. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Bye bye.